Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, Sandra's Homespun Life. In today's video I have a new product to share with you, and it's a product brought to you by SUNGLIFE, and it's a vacuum sealer. I've already tried it out, it works great, and I'm anxious to share it with you all. So to begin with, I just want to go over the vacuum sealer and show you some of the controls and different features of it, and I'm also going to show you what comes included as accessories. We have a stop button. That is like if you have a malfunction or something's not working right in the middle of vacuum sealing, you hit that stop button and it automatically will kick off the device. We have the pump, a mode setting, air pressure setting, a seal setting, and a vac seal. At the very top you'll see dry, moist, normal, and gentle. And these are the different modes that you can set on. So for instance, if you have something dry like breadcrumbs, you're going to select dry. If you're going to want to put, say, chicken in a bag with some marinade and seal it to allow it to marinate, then you'd want to go with the moist, and so forth and so on. Now there is a small hole here for an attachment, and I will show you that here in just a moment, but it gives you additional options for sealing. On the side here, on each side, you'll see a button. You push these two buttons in together simultaneously after you've vacuum sealed something, and that releases the pressure and allows you to open the lid up. This is the inside of the vacuum sealer. You'll find two rubber seals on the bottom as well as on the top. Now when you place your vacuum seal bag inside of here, you're going to let the top of your vacuum seal bag come about halfway between these two rubber seals, and that will ensure that you get a proper seal on your bag. First, it comes with a SUNGLIFE vacuum sealer instruction manual. The next accessory that come with it are these vacuum seal bags. Now I want to get those out, and I want to tell you a little bit about these bags before we move on. On one side it's textured and rough, and on the other side it's glossy. And the purpose of this textured side is it's designed to create like little chambers, so that when you're vacuum sealing your product, it will help the air to escape more easily, and that will ensure a better seal. The last accessory is this little vacuum line. It has two different ends. This is your suction end, and this little pointy end here goes into that little hole on your vacuum sealer. So you just place that in there, and they have bags designed specifically for use for this. And the other great thing about this little vacuum hose is it is designed to work with the jar sealers. Okay, now that I've told you a little bit about the vacuum sealer and the parts and accessories that comes with it, now let's put this thing to work and see it in action. Now, the company recommends not to overfill these bags beyond 75% approximately. And they also suggest allowing yourself 2 inches from the end of your unsealed bag to allow proper vacuum seal. The thing that I like about this vacuum sealer is when you first look at it, you see all these buttons, and it sort of looks complicated, but once you read the instruction manual and understand the functioning behind each one, it's very simple. The main thing you're going to worry about is your settings for your mode, and basically all you're going to have to do is hit vacuum seal. That's it. It does the rest. So first, let's just try out our breadcrumbs. So I'm going to place my bag inside of the vacuum sealer. Now if you notice, I'm going to place my bag where it comes halfway between the rubber seal there, from one end to the other. So about halfway through there, that's where you want the opened end of your bag to rest. Then just gently lay your lid down and fasten it till you hear it click, and that pops these little side buttons out, and that ensures that your vacuum sealer is in the locked position. I've already got my mode set to dry because the breadcrumbs is a dry product, and from there just simply hit vac seal. side is kicked off, so now we're ready to click on our tabs that's located to each side to release that pressure and that lock. There you have a perfectly vacuum sealed bag. So if you're in the market for a vacuum sealer, I highly recommend the SUNGLIFE vacuum sealer. I really like it. As a bonus to you all, I'm going to have a couple links down in the description box below and a code that will lead to this product. And if you put in that code on Amazon's site to order this, you'll get a 20% discount. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. And until next time, guys, bye.